Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You found an iPhone. Start by acting fast but calmly. First, glance at the lock screen for an emergency contact, medical ID, or visible notifications. These often reveal a name. Next, try Siri without unlocking by holding the side button and ask straightforward prompts like who the phone belongs to. Once done, if the phone is already unlocked, open Contacts, Photos, or Wallet to spot obvious owner details such as a name, address, or ID card. Continue methodically. Open Emergency, then Medical ID to quickly retrieve a designated contact and any medical notes. That explains how and why it's useful. Make sure to go to Settings General About. The device name often contains the owner's name or initials. If you can access photos or the recent call log, scan for selfies, work badges, or repeated contacts to verify identity. Keep transitions smooth and thoughtful. Don't speculate. Only collect clear identifying details to confirm the owner. Finish by choosing the safest return route. If you identified the owner, call or text them and set a public, safe meetup spot. Make sure to confirm a name before handing it over. If you cannot identify them, take the iPhone to local police or the carrier. They can use the IMEI or serial to locate the owner. If the phone is locked, offline, or in lost mode, keep it charged and in a secure place. This troubleshooting step preserves evidence and allows the owner to reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.